welcome back to another video. I'm sorry for not making any videos. Like I said in the last video where I apologise for that. I've been working a lot, so I don't really have enough time, and I broke my mic on my for my camera, so it's kind of like took my motivation out of making videos because I know the sound quality won't be as good. But I'm looking at buying another mic and starting videos again because I miss it. But today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing an updated version or an updated bike check on my 2014 Honda CRF250R. The other video I rewatched it and there was a lot of stuff I missed. You know, little parts on the bike that I skipped over or I just completely forgot about. And I think that was just because I was kind of rushing to get that video done because I was reviewing this and my BMX. So I'll be deleting that video and I'll be doing two separate videos for both bike, like a separate video for each bike, just so I could go a little bit more in depth and I don't have to rush. So yeah, so like I said before, this is my 2014 Honda CRF250R. Absolutely love this bike. Not really, it's quite windy. I don't know what the sound's going to be like, if it's going to pick up a lot of the wind, but just know that it is windy at the moment. It's a beautiful day. It's like 36 degrees it's meant to be today. It's only 30 at the moment, but yeah. But when you live in Melbourne and you get a hot day, it's windy. So it's right. So down the front of the bike now, we have Dunlop MX3S tyre on the front. Kind of bald, probably some of the knobbies are starting to get ripped off, so I should probably look at getting a new front tyre. But black XL A60 rims, awesome rims, absolutely love them. Those are laced to my blue EZE hubs. EZE is an awesome brand from right here in Australia, so you know, you've got to support, you know, local companies. I also have a EBC front disc. It's oversized. I'm pretty sure it's a 180, 185mm front disc. I'm not 100% sure, but I do have the extender on my brake caliper because it is oversized. Cycra fork guards with my Wheelmax graphics on them. Wheelmax graphics did absolutely awesome job on these graphics, recreating the factory Honda look that I wanted with the blue through it to match the hubs and everything. My suspension is done by Choice Suspension, so absolutely love this suspension. As you can see, not sure if you can tell, but these are chrome and blue stickers. The fork stickers are absolutely awesome in the sunlight. They look sick. Moving up, we have a BRP top triple clamp with a stock bottom triple clamp. Eventually I'm going to get a set of matching triple clamps. I've just got to wait a little bit. I have a set of tag handlebars. These ones at the moment are actually bent, so, and like Christmas is only a week or two away, so for Christmas I'm pretty sure I'm getting a new set of bars. If not, I'll buy them myself. I have a blue Renthal bar pad just to go with the blue on the bike, just to keep everything looking good. I have Zeta unbreakable levers. You can see they both go down unbreakables. Awesome levers. I wish they were black, but that's only like a small little complaint. Also have Zeta bar mounts in the exact same colour, the gunmetal grey, same colour as the levers. Pretty solid bar mounts. Got obviously the Cycra front plate and front guard in with the same graphics to match the whole bike. Obviously have the Cycra radiator shrouds with B&B radiator braces. I would highly recommend these radiator braces. They're awesome. Have a Pro Carbon cover for my fuel tank to make it look like it's carbon. Absolutely love the look of it. It's heaps better than just the normal black plastic one that comes stock. Stock foot pegs, nothing special there. Have a hammerhead gear shifter in with the blue end. I would have liked an all black one, but they only had blue, and I thought, hey, I've got blue on my bike, so why not? Also have a few little EZE engine plugs in blue that are faded. Got to get new ones of them. A red HRC engine plug for the oil. Also I forgot to mention that up the top we've got a blue EZE cap for the master cylinder for the brake. And I think that's really about it for this side of the bike. So let's head around to the other side of the bike. Now this is probably my favourite side of the bike. As you can see, it kind of looks mostly the same as the other side with the plastics and stuff. I did forget to mention my top line seat cover. Awesome seat cover, super grippy. But this side of the bike differs in a lot of places because obviously it's got the brake on this side and the exhaust pipe and the clutch. So as you can see, I have a Pro Circuit header pipe, the RC4 in titanium. Absolutely awesome pipe. It makes the bike sound so tough. It's awesome. I also have a lot of engine work on the engine, so that also makes it sound a little bit better. But the pipe just makes it sound so much deeper, so awesome. Got red engine hoses. I don't know what brand they are, but they're red. I want to change them to blue ones or black just to, you know, I don't like the red, they stand out a little bit too much. Stock water pump. I got a blue EZE cap there with a red Zeta one here just like for the oil. Hinson clutch cover and Hinson clutch. So absolutely love the clutch. Super smooth. Everything about it is just awesome. I forgot to mention I have my engine mount up here. The bike has 46.3 hours on it, so it's going to need a rebuild soon. Just a piston and rings in like 6 hours or so, something like that. So moving down the bike a little bit, obviously got the one-piece plastics here, so like this whole piece here and the side plate are all one piece for the cycle plastics. That's pretty cool. Now this is a 2014, so all these little plastics here on the swing arm actually come white from like stock. I changed those out for black ones just because I like the look of the black a little bit more, and then people can't really tell if your bike's a 14 or if it's a 15, 16, 17, because that's the only difference between the bikes. But I think what we should do now is move down to the back of the bike. Alright, so down the back of the bike, obviously you got the Cyclone back mudguard to match the rest of the bike. Stock front disc, because there's nothing wrong with it. When it wears down, which it already is starting to, so when I get a new disc I'll probably put an aftermarket one on, but the stock one's alright for now. Have a Dunlop Geomax MX3S tyre on the back. This one's only 2 rides old, so it's still in pretty good shape. Nothing really to complain with it there. Got the Pro Circuit mufflers with the carbon tips. What are they? They're TI6, so absolutely love them. Unfortunately my stickers are peeling off. The stickers are a little bit wrecked, so I want to take the stickers off and get new ones just to make it look fresh and new again. But other than that, nothing wrong with them. You know, they're a little bit scratched up, but that's just from wear and tear from riding. If I move over to this side, obviously got the chain and the sprocket. I run a Renthal sprocket. I'm not quite sure how many teeth. I think my sprocket's a 40. You know, I'm not even going to guess because I have no idea. I'd have to ask my dad that question, and I'm not going to say it because I don't want to sound like an idiot. And that nearly pretty much just wraps up my bike check. Obviously I have the same wheels up front, the blue EZE hub with the black A60 rim. So other than other than that, there's really not much else to talk about. So let me fire the bike up for you guys so you can listen to it. So there you go guys, that is my bike check of my 2014 Honda CRF250R. If you like this video, remember to like the video, subscribe, and comment down below any video suggestions you guys might have, because I'm sick of doing just the same old vlogs and stuff like that. I want to mix it up a little bit. So let me know down below what you want me to do, and yeah, remember, like, subscribe. All my links to like Instagram, stuff like that will be down in the description. And thanks for watching guys. Have a good day.